Alright, everybody, listen up. My dog is a weirdo. Real weirdo. But I've got something here. We're going to take over to the truck and we're gonna show you in just a sec what it is that we've got. So I got a surprise for the truck, and obviously, hey, you stop. No, damn dogs. Anyway, so I got a new battery and I put new cables, put new stuff on there. But the real thing is I've got, well, I almost spoiled it. I've got a used set of tires and wheels that I found for this bad boy. Now, yeah, that's right. Look at those. Check that out. All right, so as you can see, I've got flat tire back here. You already knew this from the other video, but if you haven't seen the other video and you're just watching this one, junk. But not junk. Well, so these tires are pretty new, but they've got a little bit of wear and crackage going on these tires. But I don't care, because these tires are just to move this vehicle around. So stay tuned, and at the end of this video, once I get these tires on, we're gonna drive this truck out to the driveway and we'll show you, take it out on the road and show you the transformation of what this truck looks like with some new tires on it. But after, I'm gonna kind of give you a spiel on what I'm gonna do next for this truck, because I've got some plans for it, and some of those plans are gonna be done soon. Some of those plans are gonna be set in motion, and we're gonna start looking for some stuff for this truck. So anyways, stay tuned. We're gonna change some tires. Uh-oh. I'm not gonna have my signs. As you can see, there was plenty of lug nuts on here. It's an 8 lug truck, and 3 should do it. Nope, that is not gonna work. Son of a... Well, crap. I'm gonna have to get some different lug nuts. Alright folks, check this out. I've got a present. I got a present. Yeah. Now I can put these tires on. Yes, look at that. Then I got a little tool so I can tighten these up. Yeah, All right, stay tuned. I've got some tires to change out. Torque them down lightly. All right, I'm gonna let that bad boy down. Oh, that's gonna be a bitch. Got a breaker bar. Oh, those weren't too bad. It's just my thing wasn't wanting to pull.
Maybe your battery's low.
Baby purr. Oh yeah, look at that thing. Got some new tires. Well, they're used tires, but I picked these up from my buddy Steve, and they were a little bit tire rot right here, but we're just putting it on here so we can move it around. But look at these rims, man, 200 bucks. Five tires and wheels. Yeah. So here we've got the Suburban. We'll do a little walk around on both. Dude, that truck looks sweet. You gotta come over here and like. Anyways, check this out. Oh, by the way, scope the lawn. Whew, that's that is a pretty long. But look at these. Look at these views, folks. So, we've got the 1990 Chevrolet Suburban right here, and we've got the 1974 crew cab. So, stay tuned, because now that we've got a new set of tires and wheels, we can drive it and move it. And then we need to, what do we need to do? We need to fix the radiator. We're gonna learn how to solder brass. And then after we do that, I think we're gonna give it a spray paint job. Just kidding. Actually, we're gonna sand it. So I think I'm gonna take off, I think I might take off this door panel. Might take that out and see if I can't get this dent. Well, I might just leave that for now, but I might pull these chrome pieces off. And yeah, and then we're gonna sand, do some sanding, do some Bondo work. I need to get a new light. I got some beehives up in here. Anyways, get a new light cover. I don't know what else should I do to this thing. Oh, this one doesn't have the 3x3 thing on it. Oh, missing it. Anyways, but there she is. There is the crew cab with the new tires and wheels. Look at that thing. It runs, you guys. It literally runs. 5 different trucks and it's running. So here we go. All right, folks. Now I need to get the radiator fixed. Cause dude, I'm excited. Look at that. Yeah. Anyways, I gotta get that fixed so I can go drive it around and then go through the motor, check out some motor stuff, and then start on some body work, interior. We're going to town on this thing. So like and subscribe, support the channel if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine, but we would appreciate it if you did. So stay tuned, we're gonna have a lot of fun and smile every morning.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.